This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account in a browser. This gives full controls you need. Once signed in, open Security, then your devices, then Manage Devices to see every signed-in phone. Make note of the device name and last seen time so you target the correct phone. If you plan to reuse or reset the phone, make a backup now. This avoids data loss. After that, select the phone you want to remove to reveal available actions. With the phone selected, choose Sign Out or Remove to revoke its Google session. This immediately blocks account access from that device. Once done, revoke any app passwords and remove the phone from Find My Device so location and recovery options stop. If the device is offline, make sure to change your Google password after removing it. This forces a re-authentication on reconnect. Also check connected apps and OAuth permissions. Finish by confirming the phone no longer appears under your devices and review recent security events for any unexpected sign-ins. Make additional housekeeping changes. Unpair Bluetooth associations, remove the phone from Google Play devices, and clear any saved payment or autofill entries tied to that device. If removal seems incomplete, change your Google password and enable two-step verification. This ensures accounts reauthorize only with your second factor. If the phone still shows, sign out remotely again and wait several minutes for sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.